subscribe. All right. We are live. Fortunately, my mic is picking up the keyboard clicks a lot more than the old mic did, which makes sense because the mic's right here. What the fuck? I just lost YouTube. What happened? What did happen? Oh. Huh. That's weird. Hold on. Sorry if you're talking to me. I cannot see my chat. All right, there we go. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened. I definitely didn't close it, so that was kind of weird. All right. Well, let's give people a chance to join and play a little. We haven't had this available to us in a while. That music is loud for some reason. Oh, I know why. Oh, I had to scratch my lip and ruin my song. Wow, must have been a long time since I played that song because I fucked it up over and over. All right, anyways. We need to fix this. So right now the drag destination on the game is just not doing what it's supposed to. Let's go to drag dest logic. I know I updated it. I made it so that it's like it doesn't have to be within the confines of the image. It just needs to be within the center points of the image. But obviously I broke something. I wanted to do that because I didn't want the drag destination image to be exactly the same size as the thing you're dragging to it. But obviously that's not working. But it'll be great when we fix it. It is working for images that are the same size. So shit, maybe I don't know. Maybe I reverted it or something. Let's see, drag dest. So where's the actually drag dest logic? Here we go. So the whole drag dest logic is basically this. When you let go, this happens. It's determining if it's in the right spot. Now, obviously, I changed this a lot. So when I'm doing it, see, this is not what I wanted to do. Maybe I'd never finished that logic change. I thought I did. Okay. So I think I'm still using the image size for the drag destination. That makes sense. Cool. Well, let's do it. So we have the drag destination item and we have the image, right? It's the drag me item and the drag dest. Okay. So that being said, what we need to do is get the center point and then determine it, the distance between the two center points. Yeah. So once we determine the distance between the two center points, which I think I already have a util to do that, or at least I can use the same logic. So I think what I want to do is actually do this. Well, let's leave that, but I need to basically get rid of this shit. So let's get the drag dest center point, which to get the center point, we need the left and the top. So we'll still do left and top. So we have the left position. Oh no, look, it looks like I am doing the whole center point. Never mind, I'm crazy. So I just think that this logic is wrong then. Because the fact that I have the center point of the drag destination, which is the left position plus half of the drag width, same for the top, plus height, so that's the center point, blah blah. And then we have the drag item, same thing, we have the left plus the top, left plus the top. So we have that. So now what we're doing is finding the offset. Got it. So now I have basically how many pixels the center points are off from each other. So I think let's just see what we're getting here. That will probably determine what the issue is. Because technically, I guess I did it right as far as I'm concerned. Okay. So let's go this front and let's see when I drag and drop. Let's see what happens. We need the console up. And let's check this out. 31. I must have another console log somewhere. Okay, he can't drag it. He's too weak. Let's grab the strong guy. Okay, here we go. So when I drop this, what are the two numbers? 97 and 4. So that means that we're pretty close. We're close enough on the left, but the top is way off. Now that is surprising, considering this is the center point of the image. I mean, maybe not. See, maybe I've just been lifting it too high. I guess that's closer. Well, it's 60. What is the fucking height? Nah, there's no way. That's like the center. It's way closer than 60. Okay, so there's something wrong with the drag me item middle point. So drag item top. We have the top plus offset height too. Interesting. But maybe I have the offset wrong. So we have if the drag item top is less than the drag desktop, meaning it's higher, then we're subtracting the top minus the drag item top. I mean, that's just kind of obvious. Whichever one's the higher number, subtracted by the other one, and then see what the two, or what the offset is. I mean, it's not crazy. It just visually, it doesn't look right. That's why I'm confused. Yeah, that's weird. I wish I could like have a visual reference of what the center point is. I don't really know how I do that though. I'd have to create a style for it. Yeah, I mean, it seems right. We have the drag dest, drag item, drag dest. Those are correct. I'm doing offset height, top, style top, offset height. Yeah, and like I said, it's working for the other ones. I don't know, maybe it's just the images that I have for these. Maybe they're just weird images. Because the center point, technically, for this, what do we have? Center point would be top plus 170 pixels. So it'd be 31 or 32, 15 or something. All right, well, maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll check what the actual tops are and see if they match up what my brain math is going to say. So that's that, but let's actually look at the top. So let's drag item top, drag desktop. Because like I said, it looks like the left is looking good. Whoa. All right, check this out. Let's switch. Okay. So when I let go, which it's looking, this, as far as I'm concerned, is correct. But it's just, okay, so they're saying this, I'm saying the center point for drag item top is 3172. 3172. This is the item. No, it's not. I can't reach. Is this right? No, this is the drag. Oh, no, this is right. Okay. And the height. Map item. Yeah, this is right. Oh, maybe I was on the wrong one. So we have the height is 479, so that's 235. So technically it should be, yeah, 3279 for the item, which I am putting item first. 3279. See, it's off. That's not correct. Interesting. Because if it was 32 something, 79, that would be, I mean, not super close to this. But then that just makes me think that this is off too. What is this? This is, the height would be, like I said, 170. That'd be 31, 32. What does it say? 3225? Yeah, that's right. So that one's correct. But this one's low. And that doesn't make any sense. Does it have the height wrong? I wonder what it says the offset height is. Because that makes no sense. Let's see. Drag desktop. Let's see what the drag test offset height is coming out as. Because sometimes they're wrong, you know, offset width and height. Or at least they're based off of different dimensions than what I want it to be based off of. Hey, when did you realize you like men? Was it hard to tell your friends, your family and friends? When did I become dyslexic? I assure you, I can read words normally. I like men. Some men are pretty cool. I've always known. What do you mean? I don't think I've ever told anybody that. Now that I think about it. Wouldn't it be hard? I just didn't think it was knowledge I'd need to convey. Like dogs too. Men, dogs, cats, women, kids. I like a lot of things. I also hate a lot of men. Holy crap. There are plenty of men that I hate. I refuse to name them while I'm streaming though, because this is also a VOD. And that would be on the internet forever. But welcome, P, if you're still here. Thanks for jumping on. Always like a chat. Alright, let's figure out what the fuck offset height is. Actually, let me get rid of the other console log that's just floating around too. There it is, cutscene name. Actually, that's not the one. Gotta be something else. Movement int. It is you. Oh, it's you, movement int. Okay, let's check it out. Console me log. Okay. So now we're going to change into John. And let's drag this and see what we can do. Okay, 340. Is that the right? Wait, what? Oh shit, did I do drag dest? I meant to do drag me item. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Here we go. Drag item. Oh, drag me item. There we go. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Do not know what just happened. My IDE decided to explode. Oh no, I lost everybody. Ooh, music.
Alright, this is April 29th, 1992 by Sublime.
Nice. Killing it. What was I doing? Did I already compile? There we go. I compile. The pretty song. Okay. Let's check this out. Let's see what we got in the console log. Oh yeah. Strong guy. Okay, and go. 479. So if we do some quick math, and we go, where's the clear button? What the fuck? Oh, that was weird. So we do 479 divided by 2 plus, which one's the drag item? First one. Plus 3162 equals 3401, which, if I look here at the current position, 3401. Wait, what? Wait, is this the rocket engine? Top is 2992. Why is it saying that top is 3162? Oh, well, I think we found our problem. Hey, boy with dream. How's it going? That's weird. What the fuck is it saying the wrong position? Let's check this out. Drag item style top. Yeah. Oh, my bad. This is adding. This is the center point. That's why it's doing that. That's not the actual top point. Me bad. Well, wait. Then I was doing it wrong. I need the top. I did my math wrong. It wasn't 3162. It was 2992. 21. No, 2992. There we go. 3231. 3231, and I'm getting 3162. Why? Thanks, Boy with Dream. So that obviously means this map is fucking stupid. Which means either that this top style is wrong, which is possible. I mean, this should be grabbing the drag item. Drag me. It should be grabbing the correct style. Yeah, because I'm letting it go. Wait. Okay, so I'm letting it go. Well, I guess I am setting it right here. So it's possible that I'm fucking it up, like I'm dropping it and then I'm grabbing the time to think. Personally, that makes my head. I'm sorry. Here, I'll soothe your pain with some sweet melodies. Sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your head again, but I just couldn't finish that song. All right, something going on here. The top and left positions are wrong. So I think what I want to do, I want to set them, and then I want to use them both. So I'm not like grabbing it twice. So let's do this. We're going to grab this. We're going to use this as the top. Right? We'll use this as the top. So this is the drag me item top. Okay? We'll do the same thing here. Do some dryness. Drag me item top. Okay. So we got that. And then we'll use the same thing down here. Drag me item top. Okay. And we'll see if this changes things. And then we'll do this real quick. Const drag me item top equals that. Okay, so now we know it's going to be the same for all of them, right? Hey, Heavenly Profrosted, thanks. Hey, subscribe, stay tuned. You can see how it ends. Even if you have to leave, you can watch the VOD. I swear it's going to be a climactic ending. Promise. All right, let's see what this does. Yeah, it's definitely some sort of disparity between the dragging, dropping, and what the current position is. Okay, so go. 3160. I mean, I can't. I don't even know. It seems exactly the same. 3160. 290. It seems the same. What is it? 479 divided by 2 plus 2990 equals 3229. Excuse me. 3229, and I'm getting 3160. It's way off. And 3229 would count as a center point. That's the problem. So there's definitely some offset that I don't know, screwing up. It's got to be this. Something about this math here. This math here. Offset height is correct. It's 479, right? 479. 479. Okay, so the offset height is correct. But the problem is the top. Let's actually look what drag me top is. Drag me top. Oh, drag item top. Wait, what? No. What did I say? Drag me. Yeah, drag me item top. Got it. Drag me item top. Let's just double check what that is. I can run the math a little quicker. All you can do is play soccer and try to make songs. Okay, so even if it doesn't work, just know it's better than what I can do. I've tried to... Nah. Yeah, just keep trying. I mean, honestly, I've been a website programmer for 20 years, so no shame in having issues understanding anything I'm doing. This is nothing new. And I've been playing piano for fucking 30 years, so... Not professionally, obviously. A little bit. I do a little bit of piano professionally. I mean, I'm used to playing bands a lot, but people only pay me to scream and sing. They don't pay me to play piano these days. Okay, let's see. Will we get the proper top position? That's what I want to know. So we're getting 2990. That is interesting because that is correct. 299. No, it's not. Oh, it changed it too. Okay, it's off by 2 pixels, but that's because I'm dropping it 2 pixels away, and that's just to get it away from me. Okay, that's fine. But yeah, that's a correct top position. So since it's the correct top position and it's the correct height, I did notice that it was coming in as a string though, so I wonder if there's an issue with that. Maybe I should inval that and see if it fixes it, or parse in it. Oh, I guess I'm doing it already for all of these. Yeah, might as well not have to parse in a million times. Let's just do this. Don't know. Yes, I'm minusing 2. That's fine. Drag me out on top. And get rid of this parsent. Keeping it dry. Okay. That doesn't matter. I was using parsent, so. Wait a second. I just found out why it's wrong. It's using the drag dest offset top. God damn it, I'm so stupid. Okay, drag me item offset height. There we go. Okay, it's gonna work now. I'm so confident that I'm gonna get rid of these console logs. Oh, that was stupid. I swear I read that a few times and I did not see that. Bullshit. All right, let's see if this works. It shall work now. I promise. Oh yeah, big guy. Okay, so now when I move this to the center of this, which is like that, if I drop it, the rocket should go away, and that's it. Yay! We did it. Woo! Fan-fucking-tastic. That's great. No, that's really good. Okay, cool. I just need to fix the z-index now. What did I want to do? I wanted to make it draggable items. What? We don't have any drag styling here? Drag. What about collectible? No? What the fuck? Breakable? I don't have any styling for any of this? That's interesting. What about drag dest? Dest. What the fuck? Am I tripping? Am I in the wrong file? Where's all the styling? I must be doing it manually. Map item? Yeah, so we got, data hazard, explore sign, foreground passable, enemy boss, we have modals, mini games, but we don't have, interesting, okay. So let's go to data, yeah, this, and we're gonna set, we already set, no we didn't. We need to set the drag dest as -1. How do I do that? What is it? Drag dest. It's the class is drag dest. Oh, I did it right here. I set it to 1. So that's gonna be -1. Yeah, drag destination should always be. No, I can't do -1. 1. That's right. Any draggable items, so. Which will be here. Passable, foreground, breakable. Where's data? Is it data draggable? Is that what it is? Data. Yeah, that's right. Okay. We'll make that the style. So if it's draggable, 1. No. 2. No. 1. Let's make the drag dest 0. Zero. Yes. Okay. This is better. I like this. Any reason you're doing this? First of all, great username. Aggressively average. It's fantastic. Yeah. I mean, I'm a WordPress programmer by trade. So, I mean, no surprise there. I've been doing it for like almost, over a decade. My website's built in WordPress, obviously. It's my marketing website. It's orbemortar.com. It's market my books, market my streaming, market my products I make, merch, all that kind of stuff. And also the video game. So I wanted to build an RPG based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel, Orbem, which is on Amazon right here, the Moaning Chronicles. I wanted to market the book using a game, and I'm not a game developer. I am a website programmer. So I decided to build it into my WordPress website. And it's gone through a lot of iterations, but it's gotten to the point where I built so much functionality to make it possible to build this video game without a code solution. Like it's all no code. Then I'm making a WordPress game engine. And this is the world's first WordPress based game engine, not like an integration with another game engine into WordPress. This is built into WordPress. Yeah, I appreciate it. And you'll see, I mean, if you know anything about WordPress, this is WordPress. And this is an explainer pop-up for like a tutorial. So I add all the configuration with the custom fields that I developed. And my bad, I had to do something, but that's cool. Yeah, no, I appreciate it, boy with a dream. Yeah, so this is the game engine right here. It's a plugin. You know, I'm also a plugin author. I've got a handful of them in the WordPress directory right now. Some with, you know, 100,000 plus installs. So I'm no stranger to releasing massive WordPress plugins. So this one is the entire game engine. I mean, it's pretty easy to set up too. I mean, all you have to do is select the page that you want to play the game on your website, create one area, create a main character, and then you can start having a person walking around in your website, you know, as a video game. You know nothing about WordPress? Okay. Studying game dev, so you're interested in the aspect, but still very cool. Hey, and I appreciate game developers heavily after doing this project. I mean, I know what I know, right? I know what I want it to do, and you know, I know the mechanics of an art, like a pixel art RPG, and just kind of like the way I want it to look. Let's see. I'll show you the first level just so you can get a feel for the actual game. And I know that I want it to, you know, be playable. So this is really a POC for the game engine at this point. It's also a, you know, a lost lead for my book series. But you'll see. I mean, I've built a lot of functionality into this. You have wandering NPCs, you have tutorial pop-ups, and if I unmute it, it actually has voiceover music in the background. If I talk to this guy,
hello, Dr. Milford.
I used the Google Text to API speech API for if you don't add your own recordings, you can just use Google. And it's a lot of logic built into like how they wander around without like going through walls and stuff like that. Interaction stuff, you know, get a point for breaking plants, you know, and these are all things you can configure inside of the WordPress stuff. You can make missions.
Oh, need to grab my stuff.
That's my voiceover, you know, you just upload the file you want, get points. She'll give you $50.
Hey Graham, I heard about you getting let go.
Yeah, he got fired.
The world is cruel and people are nasty. That's why I keep to my plan.
Thanks, Carol.
Here, you're going to need this now that you're unemployed.
There you go. I just got $50. Stupid question, but is WordPress like React? I think most cool portfolio websites I've seen are React. Is there Node 3D too that helps for 3D websites? So WordPress it's a CMS, it's a content management system. There are headless front ends. You can use Next.js to create a front end for a WordPress instance. But the only part of WordPress that is React natively is the editor. So like here, if I go to cutscenes and I go to like the talking part of cutscenes, this editor here is all React based, this stuff right here. So I developed custom Gutenberg, that's the editor, that's what it's called, blocks, to allow me to like upload MP3s, select characters, and it looks through the database to get that kind of information. And this is all React based here. But like I said, the front end of my website is not React. This entire game is built with vanilla JavaScript and just Sass styling. So I mean, if you know anything about website programming or, you know, basic vanilla JavaScript, you could work on this game. You know, the code even. But like I said, I'm building the whole game engine to be a no-code solution. And
I guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
I know, yeah, definitely. And yeah, I mean, it's fairly simple in the implementation. It's extremely complicated functionality. I've been working on this for a long time. Yeah, it's fun though. Thanks, man. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. And I appreciate your questions too. Always good to give a little explanation of what the hell's going on. Because it's extremely confusing for even people that work with WordPress, what I'm doing. But I used to work for Disney for a while. I built DisneySyncLink.com. I worked for Warner Brothers, built some Harry Potter websites for them. You know, I worked for Universal, working on the Carrie Underwood website. So, and those are all WordPress-based websites that I worked on. So, I mean, I'm used to doing things in WordPress you're not supposed to normally do. Because I'm working for billion-dollar corporations, you know, they always want some weird integration. Oh yeah, no, I've been doing this for a long time. And so like this is kind of what I do during the day, just a lot more fun. So yeah, and it's fun for me because I have the skill set, you know. And I don't mind creating something that's never been done in WordPress so that I can release it to the public. Yeah. Definitely have a lot of people that want to beta test this. Subscription? Hell yeah. Appreciate it. Yeah, and keep an eye on your notifications. I stream most days. What up, Ron? Favorite game day? Hell yeah, let's go. I don't know any Metallica on piano, I'm sorry. Unless you just meant metallic, then yeah. I'm fairly metallic these days. Just kidding, I've been metallic for a very long time. Alright, I think we got this. Oh, I remember Ron 3810X. I mean, I remember the Ron part. I would not be able to recite that number to you. Okay, cool. It looks like I have the, I actually have the Z-index working now. Now I'm actually walking over the waste disposal sign. Cool, I'm going to push this code up to production now that this is working properly. And yeah, if you like any of the music here in the background too, let me know. I'll show you the songs. These are all bands I've recorded with or my own music, stuff inspired by Orbem or Orbem, the universe, and or just old shit that I am part of. No DMCAs, they're all mine, or at least I recorded in them enough to where they won't strike me. All right, so let's push this up. Not the database. I've made that mistake too many fucking times. Let's go. Sorry, that song always cracks me up. Starting to listen to Rammstein. Du hast mich. It's good shit. I have a lot of good songs, actually. A lot of fun shit. Would love to do a German club with that stuff. Yeah, they're very good. Noi. We are Noi. I wish I could speak the language. No, I got that song in my head. Okay, I think what I want to do is start a new game, redo the tutorial stuff to get me to the point where it's the mini game. So let's see if we can do that. New game. Let's all enjoy. Let's enjoy the intro while we wait. I also found that I like scoring music like this. Just remember the Half-Life reference. There will be your crowbar, I promise. I just haven't gotten to it yet. It's just trying to finish the main functionality, the main quest. And I'm gonna add all the cool stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, that was fun. Also, you make Google Slide games. Ooh, in movies. I don't know if anyone has done that for real like I do. Google Slide games. That's cool.
Let's start off with a nice formal intro.
Is it like
a
Fallout Choose Your Own Adventure style game?
My main focus has been on
That's really cool.
transportation.
Google Slide game.
Sounds. It's trying to transport matter around
That's a lot of fun.
in the blink of an eye. Or 1/trillionth of a second if you want to get technical about it. Crazy, right? Yeah, a lot of other people would agree. That includes most of the academic elite. You could say everything that happened begins with the jealousy of some of those dicks.
Yeah.
They got their way.
Dicks.
Pack up and leave my lab. Alright, with that bit of background out of the way.
This is the
let's
actual
get started.
intro to the book,
Cue
too.
the sad music. I wonder what that sign
I really need to replace all these Unicodes with actual icons. Oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. I forget that I have the power to drag things.
What was I doing again?
Oh, why am I even doing this? What the hell am I doing? I need to do level select. Okay, so let's go. We'll start with bylaw. No, let's at least finish this shit.
May I help you, sir?
Hello, sir.
May I help you, sir?
Yes, sorry.
Mr. Milford, I see. A permanent badge will be sent to your company. Here are your keys. Do not lose. Here is your CNC.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you have a nice day. Nope.
This is your CNC device.
Thank you.
Refer to this while in the Tyrus Research Facility.
Uh-oh. Where the hell is she? Well, there's our first fucking new bug. We lost our onboarder somehow. Alright, well that's working. Where the hell's Iona? She ditched me? Okay. Well, that's a problem. That should not be here yet. Okay, so we're getting some okay. Oh, I started a new game. Oh, do I not delete that? I should have been deleting that in the new game. Hold on. What is the thing I called it? Previous cutscene or something? Cutscene area. So I'm saving it as this. I need to delete that on reset. Reset. Where's delete? Here it is. Alright. You get enough projects done and finish all my slides I'm making right now. I'm planning to transfer them all to my main computer. Upload them to main. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. That'd be cool. Share the wealth. Alright. So now that gets deleted on reset. But it should also be deleted if I go to an area that's not a cutscene. But that's where I was running into the issue. So I'm considering if I need to do that or not. Because it won't matter if I go to another area. It would be nice if I'm going back. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do the reset part. I'm okay with that. We'll just push this up and start a new game. And it should delete the persisted data. Yeah, because I don't want to delete it. I can't really come up with a good conditional point when it should delete. And for those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, I have logic that when you run a cutscene, after the cutscene finishes, I materialize items. You know, because I'm trying, it's, you know, things happen as you progress the game. And the problem was, if you refresh the page, you have to do the cutscene again in order for those items to show up again. But I didn't want that, because it's also tied to missions. So I'm persisting after that cutscene, what happens. That way, if you refresh, it already happened and the items are still there. But the problem was, I never deleted that. So when I went to the area, it was acting like you already did the cutscene. But I did not. So now we need to wait for that to happen. But we can walk around a little bit. So that's good. Actually, let's look at the rocket too. See, the rocket's gone. And the rocket's right there.
I should probably avoid walking into the flames. Isn't Genie fireproof?
Yeah. And that should not be there yet, because I do not have a crew menu yet. Okay, cool. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, I think it should be good now. Maybe. Let's try. Let's try it again. Let's go here.
May I help you, sir?
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
Yep, there she is. Cool. Next time I'm live, I'll finish the slide. I'll give it. Oh, hell yeah. That'd be great. Hey, thanks for jumping on, Boy with Dream. Appreciate it. And yeah, I hope to catch you again soon. Appreciate your convos. Okay. So let's talk to the onboarder.
Hello, Ahem.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Here,
Can I help you?
I'm so sorry.
Hello, Mer.
Oh, hello.
It's the
Yeah, okay. Don't mind if I run after you. See, here's the rocket before it's exploded.
I can't help, but notice how fast you walk.
Oh, sorry. I lost track of my velocity at times. It's part of my Patreon enhanced biomechanics. It allows a subject to function at 5 times the capacity of their average physical capabilities. Reduced lactic buildup, muscle strengthening, mixed with increased flexibility results in a much higher...
Okay.
How do you accomplish this?
This is a
You
longer
think that this
cutscene.
re-
I will
We
skip.
can push as far as... Do you have any questions?
So, what's with the...
What about them?
Well...
I-
Well, that's good.
That's
Nothing
good.
will... Sorry for my ignorance.
Oh, my apo...
I missed lunch.
So, dinner,
I
tonight.
missed lunch.
Wonderful, then.
Such good
it's a
writing.
latte. By the way, it stands for close... Great.
Alright, bye.
This is gonna take forever to get in order.
Yeah,
Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
correct. I've done this so many times. I've gotten so good at it. I love my drag animation. My Frankenstein grab. Oh shit. Out of the way, brah. Thank you. Yeah, chair looks great there. Looks great. Hey! What up, Lino lover? You were here yesterday, weren't you? Welcome back, my friend. Appreciate you jumping back on. How goes it? How's your day? Oh, shoot. That was not what I was expecting to happen. Uh-oh. Well, I'm gonna have to go grab those. Shoot, I don't think I can reach those items. They're too far now. Horrible? Oh shit, I'm sorry. What happened? I mean, if it's too horrible, you don't have to talk about it. Oh shit. But that is no bueno. Okay. Did I do enough? I hope I did. Can I get out? Shoot. Oh no. Wait, what am I missing? Robot arm computer. Shoot. You cried over my ex 5 times today, even though we broke it this year. Oh shit. I am sorry. Whoa. I mean, yesterday's pretty new. I think you can give yourself a break on crying today. I'm very sorry to hear that, though. That's tough. And what a dick. Already having a new girlfriend. I mean, obviously, he was already talking to people, which is very unfortunate. But yeah, that's too bad. I'm very sorry to hear that. And I have to cheat because I screwed up. So don't mind if I do. God mode engaged. Alright. Let me bring this back as well. Excuse my cheating. There we go. Man. That was a bad Tuesday. You know what I always say? Tuesday is the worst day of the week. That's what I always say. I even wrote that. That's the first chapter in my book. It's called Tuesday. Tuesdays fucking suck. It sounds like you're having one of those. Blame that Tuesday. Okay, now we can get out of here. Thank you. Yep. Alright. So let's check the map. We need to go to buy a lawn. That's top right. I'm right here. Okay. Good. So far, so good. Everything's kind of working. Unfortunately, I don't have Iona yet, so I'm slow.
So, Dr. Negrescu, I want to know everything about this place. I'll have no issues retaining every word, so feel...
Well, first thing first, you can
I'll play you a
call
good
me
song
Ioana. I'll be your mentor of
to get you in the mood for being sad. There you go. One of my many sad songs. Wow, this cutscene's still going. I forgot how long this is. It's a very important cutscene, though. You meet all your characters you get to play as, and you get a lot of backstory of where you are at the facility, why everybody is crazy. I'm crazy smart. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yep, so far so good. And then I walk here. Oh. I should probably avoid walking into flames. Isn't Genie fireproof? And then I need to use Genie. There she is. I'm like, oh, cool. Oh, and then I notice there is a drag dest. I hope I can get to it, actually. I didn't think about that. Let's see if this still works. Should work. Oh shit, I'm gonna burn. Oh god, I almost died. She actually dies pretty quickly after her serum wears off. Yay, it worked. Okay, cool. Fire is out. Now disarm the robot. I said robot, I meant rocket. So now we'll need Iona. Boom! Go! Use her super speed. Woo! No! Oh shit, I always get caught there. I'm so stupid. Oh, there's like a random wall piece there. That's why. I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh shit. Come on, you got this. This is cutting it close. I mean, it should cut it close, because nobody else should be able to do this but her. Oh god. Alright. Now dispose of the rocket. How do I do that? Well, this is how. We've got Big Bad John over here. He can actually carry this big motherfucker. And you see how it says waste disposal. That's where I put it. Okay. I guess I just put it there. No? There? Uh-oh. Looks like my fix didn't go through yet. What the fuck? Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. I thought I fixed this. Shoot. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. Alright, I might need to refresh. Maybe the code didn't get pushed yet. I did push it, right? Because everything else was supposed to work. This was the thing that I fixed. It's very possible that I did not push the code. Thought I did, though. No, I did, because I even reset the code. Yeah. Shoot. This should be working then. Gosh darn it. Yeah, and I fixed it because it was the drag item offset height that was wrong. Son of a bitch. Is it the Z index? No, because the fire extinguisher worked. Everything worked. Huh. Oh. I guess I just didn't have it in the right spot. Might need to make that offset a little bit easier. Cool. Well, that's it. We did it. Now we can move on. The next mission is... This is where I want to veer off of what I did with the demo. Because what I did next was basically say, hey, finish inventing transportation, right? And then I did the mini game. Graham went to his desk. Went to his desk here, and he just started inventing fucking transportation on his computer. But I think what I want to do next is definitely a cutscene. I mean, there has to be something that leads me to my office. Well, that's something we can think about next time. Hey, this is a great place to stop. We fixed everything we need to fix. We can move on. We can definitely get the minigame working next time. Hey, Lino Lover, I am very sorry about your loss. And, you know, I wish you the best and hope you're going to be feeling a lot better tomorrow. But thank you so much for jumping on and saying hi, even in this dark time in your life. Boy with a dream, always Not always, but hey, thanks for jumping on. Appreciate the subscribe, and I'm glad to have you on as well. Great convos, and look forward to having many more. You too, aggressively average. Appreciated all the convos earlier. That was a lot of fun. Heavenly Frosted, thanks for the luck. P, thanks for the random comment earlier. And Ron, thanks for jumping on, my friend. And yeah, good luck with everything you're working on. I swear we'll get that Half-Life thing added to the game eventually. And everybody watching in the future, as always, come say hi to me. I love to talk to you and give you all I can give for my experience in website programming, music, piercing, tattoos, whatever I've done in my 30-ish years of life. And yeah, stay tuned for this WordPress game engine to be available to the public. Swear to God, it's going to happen. It's going to happen, and I can't wait to finish this because then I get to move on to finishing book 3. And that's my goal in life right now. So stay tuned. Probably be back tomorrow to continue working on this. I think I'm going to put something in between this and the programming minigame. So we'll come up with something. Maybe I'll think of something while I'm working tomorrow. And yeah, everybody have an amazing night, amazing Wednesday, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Goodbye. Bye-bye.